You fixed everything. You like it?
Yeah.
Whoa!
G'day fellow vloggers, motor vloggers, YouTubers, subscribers, Bandit Nev on Ruby. Just want to ask a question to anyone that's watching this that has a Bluetooth headset for the helmet that you can use an MP3 player, answer your phone, etc., and have your navman or your GPS on the bike, and you can hear it, because on this bike the GPS in the sunlight you just can't see it, and I don't really want to pay hundreds and hundreds of dollars to get the Garmin or the TomTom Rider or whatever it's called. Now I've already bought a Scala Q3 Bluetooth headset for myself. I've done a bit of research and done a bit of looking on YouTube, some reviews and that, and that seems to be pretty good for what I want. I don't know if any of you other guys have anything similar, but I'd love to hear a response or comments, or even video responses. You got video responses, anything will help. So there's a question for you. Any of you guys out there got the Bluetooth helmet stuff? I'm not sure exactly what you call it, but communicator, whatever. Thanks a lot for any comments. Bandit Nev on Ruby. Ride safe, and we'll catch you later.